Prime Minister of Japan came out today, did a press conference where she formally announced the dissolution of the House of Representatives on January 23rd, paving the way for snap general election on February 8th. In that context, she staked her position on the line, seeking a direct mandate from voters for her policies, including bold fiscal measures to counter inflation, growth investments, and security enhancements, emphasizing the need for public judgment on entrusting her with governing Japan. So that's happening on top of the bond market blowing up in Japan. Michael Gayed, we had him on the show last year, and we got him lined up to get back on the show here soon as well. Phase one of the reverse carry trade is U.S. bond yields rise as Japan sells treasuries to raise dollars in preparation to defend the yen. Just today, we reported on the pension fund, and that one was, I should have pulled it up. I meant to pull it up. I don't want to say Denmark. It wasn't Denmark, Netherlands. I forget which country it was. But their pension fund, or one of them, has a few billion under management, and they have about 100 million worth of U.S. treasuries. They're going to be selling all of them. So what's happening right now is as the Japanese bond market blows up, it forces Japan to sell off treasuries. As we start to get into a battle with Europe over the tariffs, I mean, President Trump this morning was threatening 200% tariffs on France for opposing the Greenland deal. He said, we're going to tariff the wine and the champagne coming out of France 200%. And so this is causing, we got statements out of this investment firm and this pension fund saying that the United States is basically on a fiscal path of destruction. And because of the moves by President Trump on Greenland, etc., they're going to dump all 100 million of their U.S. treasuries. Now, the 100 million from this pension fund's not too big of a deal. But when you add their 100 million, plus the hundreds of millions, billions, tens of billions that are being dumped by China, Japan, and others, this is where we get ourselves a problem. And so, as Michael Gayed says right here, phase one of the reverse carry trade is U.S. bond yields rise as Japan sells treasuries to raise dollars in preparation to defend the yen. Part two of the reverse carry trade, U.S. bond yields fall as stock market volatility spikes and traditional risk-off behavior returns.